In today's shifting global security landscape, one military partnership is drawing increasing attention from analysts and intelligence agencies alike. Russia and Iran, both heavily sanctioned, both isolated from Western defense markets, are no longer just cooperating diplomatically. They are now believed to be co-developing a new generation of weapons, combining Russian battlefield experience with Iran's cost-effective mass production and drone expertise. But what exactly are these next-generation weapons? Today we break down the specific systems, the technologies involved, and why this cooperation matters far beyond Moscow and Tehran. Russia and Iran did not become defense partners overnight. Years of sanctions forced both countries to rely on domestic weapons production, reverse engineer foreign systems, and prioritize affordability and scalability over luxury technology. The war in Ukraine accelerated this cooperation. Iran gained access to real battlefield feedback, while Russia gained access to cheap, reliable unmanned systems. What emerged is a transactional but strategic military partnership. They are not science fiction superweapons. They are practical, battlefield-tested systems designed for modern wars. Let's break them down. The first and most visible category is unmanned aerial systems. What's new here? Russia and Iran are believed to be working on improved long-range loitering munitions, Shahed-style drones with better navigation, hardened electronics resistant to jamming, modular warheads for different missions. These are not just kamikaze drones. They are evolving into networked strike platforms that can fly pre-programmed routes, operate in GPS-denied environments, overwhelm air defenses through saturation. This is a clear next-generation step from simple one-way UAVs. Missiles remain central to Iran's doctrine, and Russia's expertise plays a role here. The cooperation likely focuses on improving guidance accuracy, enhancing terminal maneuverability, increasing resistance to missile defense systems. Rather than building entirely new missiles, the emphasis is on upgrading existing ballistic and cruise missiles and making them smarter, not necessarily faster or larger. Small improvements in accuracy can have strategic-level consequences. Naval warfare is another key area. Russia and Iran reportedly cooperate on anti-ship missile guidance, targeting data integration, coastal defense strike concepts. For Iran, this strengthens deterrence in the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. For Russia, it provides asymmetric naval strike experience gained from regional conflicts. One of the least visible, but most important next-gen weapon categories is electronic warfare. This includes GPS jamming, drone disruption systems, and radar interference technologies. Russia brings decades of EW experience. Iran brings low-cost production, rapid adaptation, and real-world drone combat usage. Together, this creates electromagnetic battlefield dominance, a defining feature of next-generation warfare. Another critical layer is space technology. While officially civilian satellite cooperation enables improved reconnaissance, secure communications, and better missile targeting data, next-generation warfare increasingly depends on space-based awareness, and this partnership reflects that reality. These weapons are not meant to win wars outright. They are designed to exhaust air defenses, raise the cost of intervention, complicate military planning, and create persistent pressure.